some reason. So when I talk about recycle, if you look over on the left-hand side here, where Alan has put this batch of candy canes, you'll see a pile of candy set aside on the table. These are pieces that are the wrong size, weight, or shape. And these will not get thrown away. They will get melted into a new batch at a later time. Now that recycle melts into the new hot batch, and the old flavor will evaporate from that hot heat, so the cook is able to re-flavor that part, whichever flavor the new batch is going to become. Now the part that has the recycle is what becomes the middle of your candy cane or lollipop. The middle is called the core. Where they add the colors become the stripes, and the stripes are called the jacket. Now here in the center, Raul has the blue shirt on here closest to us, and he is assembling his batch of candy. Now he first puts together the stripes of the batch. The stripes are the jacket. Now he's going to get those stripes all stretched out and smoothed out on the table. Now you'll notice there's a frame at the back of his table, as well as the table here right in front of us under the television. These batches are 220 degrees, and the table needs to stay nice and hot.